Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will divide both sides by ds and 3x minus y plus 3. So we need to transform into homogeneous. So we have y in here. They are already about homogeneous on numerator, but this one we are not homogeneous. So I will put about s equal to v plus a. So a is the constant. Now if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have ds over dt equals to dv over dt, because first derivative of v we have number 1, so we just simplify like this one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Next we have dy over dx equals to dy over dt dx over dt, and we know that dx over dt that is about dv over dt. Now we need to simplify, and we have dy over dv. So I will put this one go in here. S we change by this one. So if we want to create about homogeneous, the constant should be equal to number 0. So in this situation we have 3v plus 3a. So 3a and number 3, they are the constant. So I will put 3a plus 3 equals to number 0. So a equals to negative number 1. So I will go back in here, and then I will put negative number 1 go in here. So this one we have negative number 1. If we simplify, we just have only 3v minus y. Now we have y, v and y. They are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. Now I will put about y equals to tv. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of t, we have dt over dv multiplied by v. Next we do first derivative of v, we have t, and this is about the product rule of derivative. Now this one we change by this one, and y we change tv. Next we simplify v and v on numerator and denominator. So t I will put on the right. So negative negative I will put on the left. Next, we can do common denominator. So this one, we have 3t minus t squared in here. So t and 3t, we have 4t. Next, I will put this one go to the left, dv and v go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. We can do about factorization by t. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over t, capital B over 4 minus t. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about 4 minus t. So capital A multiplied by 4 minus t, capital B multiplied by t. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of t. About t, we have negative a plus b. About the numbers, we have 4, 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. This one, we have negative t, that is about negative number 1. So negative a plus b equals to negative number 1. And 4a equals to number 3. And now we create the system of equations. So we have negative a plus b equals to negative number 1 and 4a equals to number 3. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b in here. So a equal to 3 over 4, b equals to negative 1 over 4. And now we put the value code here. So 8 equals to 3 over 4, b equals to negative 1 over 4. So the integration of this one, we have 3 over 4 ln of the absolute value of t. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 ln of the absolute value of 4 minus t. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of v. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by v. And now I will need to change t into y over v. Next, about v, that is about this one. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left. And we change v into s plus 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.